Good evening. I hope everyone has done the homework. Right? There were two ray diagrams that you all were supposed to draw, and I'm sure both those diagrams were easy, so you could draw. However, if anybody has not been able to draw those diagrams, so what you can do is you can contact your respective heads. They will get in touch with me, and I will then get in touch with you as to where the problem is. Right? Now, let's move on and draw the remaining three diagrams. If you can recall, I had told that we will be drawing 6 ray diagrams for convex lens, out of which 3 ray diagrams we have already drawn. Ray diagrams number 2, 3, and 4. Now, today we will draw ray diagram number 1, ray diagram number 5, and ray diagram number 6. So as I share my presentation with you all, I want you all to be ready with your notebooks opened and geometry box ready with you. Come on. Last 10 seconds to get everything ready. Okay, fine. So moving on the diagram number 1. Now, as you can see, question in front of you, children. The question is object at infinity of a convex lens. Now we need to draw a ray diagram to find the position of image if the object is at infinity. Children, look at this word infinity. Infinity का मतलब बहुत 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 दूर. Object is very 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 far away, and accordingly we have to draw a ray diagram and find the position of the image. So now how do we draw this ray diagram? I hope you all can remember the basic diagram that we used to draw. We first used to draw this straight line, which is called as the principal axis. On this principal axis we used to mark 5 points. दिख रहा है तुम लोग को स्क्रीन पे? The centermost point is O, optical center. Right hand side wala points are F2 and 2F2, and left hand side wala points are F1 and 2F1. You remember I had told you to take some specific measurement between these points. The measurement was 2 centimeters. Then at point O we draw a vertical dotted line which is 3 centimeter up and 3 centimeter down, and with the help of a protractor we draw this convex lens. अब look at the children. Object infinity. अब यहाँ पे ना हमको कुछ नया सुनना पड़ेगा, so I want you all to pay double now. Object at infinity. Remember children, whenever the object is at infinity, whenever the object is very 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 far away, we will not draw the object on the principal axis. Instead, object beyond the principal axis like this. I repeat, मैंने क्या बोला? Whenever the object is at infinity, we do not draw the object on the principal axis. We draw the object beyond the principal axis the way I have drawn right now. And specifically for this diagram, normally हम लोग को object का size हम लोग लेते हैं 1 centimeter. But specifically for this ray diagram, we will not take 1 centimeter, we will take 2 centimeters. 1 centimeter is above the principal axis and 1 centimeter below the principal axis. ठीक है? So I want everyone to, in your notebooks, draw this much till now. Draw the basic things, principal axis, 5 points, a lens, and then draw the object. Come on, fast. I can view max to max 1 minute to finish this much. Come on, take a scale, take a pencil. Draw the principal axis first, a horizontal, straight, big line, principal axis. वो principal axis के बीच में mark a point. Name that point as point O. As we know, O stands for optical center. From O, measure 2 centimeters on the right hand side and mark a point. Fast. 2 centimeters to the right, mark a point. Call this point F2. Come on now, from F2, measure 2 centimeters more on the right. Call this point as 2F2. Similarly, from O, 2 centimeters on the left is F1. And from F1, 2 centimeters on the left is 2F1. So I hope people have finished drawing the principal axis and people have finished marking 5 points. Come on now, come back to point O. At point O, draw this vertical dotted line. And as you know the size of the line, 3 centimeters up and 3 centimeters down. Draw a vertical dotted line on point O. The measurements are 3 centimeter up and 3 centimeter down. Now, quickly take a protractor and draw that convex lens fast. Take a protractor, draw that convex lens. Once you finish drawing lens, draw the object and draw it the way I've drawn. 1 centimeter above the principal axis and 1 centimeter below the principal axis. Object के ऊपर arrow बनाओ and name the object AB. Come on, children, last 10 seconds. All right then. Chalo, and everybody pays attention to what I'm talking. So one thing is for sure, when the object is at infinity, we will not draw the object here on the principal axis. We will draw it beyond the principal axis, something like this. अभी और एक नया बात सिखा रहा हूँ. याद रखना, whenever light is infinity, whenever the rays of light come from infinity, the rays always come parallel to the principal axis. I repeat, मैंने क्या बोला? Whenever the rays of light from infinity, the rays of light will always come parallel. And that is why you see I have drawn so many parallels. अभी को इतना सारा बनाने का जरूरत नहीं है, बना भी सकते हो नहीं भी सकते हो. अभी देखो तुम लोग के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे 2 रेज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर बनाया है और 2 रेज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के नीचे बनाया है. तुम लोग 2 और 2 नहीं बना के एक और एक भी बना सकते हो. यू कैन ड्रॉ 1 रे अप एंड 1 रे डाउन. कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, कहीं मार्क्स नहीं कटेगा. आई वांट यू ऑल टू ड्रॉ दीज पैरेलल रेज, and when you draw these parallel rays, draw it till this dotted line and make sure you put arrow marks the way I put. Come on, fast. Draw the parallel rays till the dotted line. You can draw 1 up and 1 ray down. It is more sufficient. Okay. So I hope people are drawing these parallel rays. Stop drawing one and again pay attention to what I'm talking. So there are some rays, right, which are parallel, are hitting the lens. I want you all to look at the lens. It's a convex lens. देखो question में भी दिया ही है. It's a convex lens. And हम लोगों ने very first lecture में पढ़ा था convex lens is converging. So that means moment light passes through this convex lens, these rays of light will converge.